Hey friends, if you wish to disable the notification and action center on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the the procedure. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey current user, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. Right click on Windows, select new key, name it Explorer. Now in the right pane, we will create an entry named Disable Notification Center. Right click new DWORD 32-bit value and name it Disable Notification Center. Double click on it, the value is 0. Now when I change it to 1, it means that this policy is activated and the notification center is disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.